Today we're talking about Berberine, a little-known supplement that's making big waves in the health and wellness scene. Buckle up because we're about to embark on a fun and informative journey. So, what's the buzz about Berberine? Well, it's a chemical found in several plants, and it's been making a name for itself due to its impressive health benefits. It's like the superhero of the supplement world, swooping in to save the day in a variety of ways. Berberine, the blood sugar buster. Let's dive deeper into the world of berberine and its superpower as a blood sugar buster. If high blood sugar levels were villains causing chaos in the city of your body, berberine would be the superhero swooping in to save the day. It's not just a supplement, it's a secret agent on a mission to combat insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is like a miscommunication in your body. It's when your body cells start ignoring the signals from insulin to take in glucose from your bloodstream. This miscommunication can lead to high blood sugar levels, and that's where our superhero berberine comes in. It works undercover like a tiny but mighty warrior to help your body use insulin more effectively. It's like a translator, helping your cells understand insulin signals again and restoring peace and balance in your body. Berberine doesn't just stop at improving insulin sensitivity. It also has another superpower up its sleeve. It increases glycolysis, a process that helps your body break down sugars inside cells. Think of berberine as a microscopic demolition crew. It goes into your cells and starts breaking down those sugar walls. It's like a team of tiny workers tirelessly breaking down glucose so your cells can use it for energy. This process makes your cells more efficient, like upgrading an old slow computer to a new, fast one. So, in the battle against high blood pressure, berberine is a powerful ally. It's a superhero, a secret agent, and a demolition crew all rolled into one. Berberine and your gut. When berberine moves into your gut neighborhood, it brings along a whole bunch of beneficial bacteria. These are the good guys, the friendly flora that help keep your gut healthy and balanced. They're like the gardeners of your gut, helping to cultivate a healthy environment where everything can thrive. Berberine doesn't just increase the number of these beneficial bacteria, it also helps to maintain a healthy balance. It's like the peacekeeper of the gut, ensuring that the good bacteria flourish while keeping the harmful ones in check. This balance is crucial for maintaining good gut health and overall well-being. But the benefits of berberine don't stop there. By promoting a healthy gut environment, it also aids in digestion and nutrient absorption. It's like a personal trainer for your gut, helping it to work more efficiently and get the most out of the food you eat. Moreover, a healthy gut contributes to a strong immune system, and berberine plays a role in this as well. It's like the captain of the gut defense team, leading the charge in protecting your body from harmful invaders. In essence, berberine is like the ultimate gut ally. It's there to support, protect, and enhance your gut health, contributing to your overall well-being in the process. Berberine and heart health. When it comes to heart health, berberine is a supplement that truly shines. Heart disease is a prevalent issue globally, and finding ways to combat it is a priority for many. This is where berberine steps in, offering a range of benefits that can contribute to a healthier heart. One of the key ways berberine supports heart health is by managing cholesterol levels. Cholesterol, a type of fat found in your body, plays a crucial role in building healthy cells. However, when the levels get too high, it can lead to heart disease. Berberine helps to decrease total cholesterol, effectively reducing the amount of cholesterol circulating in your bloodstream. LDL, often referred to as bad cholesterol, is another area where berberine shows its strength. High levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to the buildup of cholesterol in your arteries, which can increase the risk of heart disease. Berberine works to decrease LDL cholesterol levels, helping to keep your arteries clear and promote better heart health. But it's not just about reducing the bad cholesterol. Berberine also works to increase HDL, or good cholesterol. HDL cholesterol helps remove other forms of cholesterol from your bloodstream, reducing the risk of heart disease. By increasing HDL cholesterol, berberine supports your body in maintaining a healthy balance of cholesterol levels. Berberine, the mood booster. Feeling a little down? Berberine could be the solution you've been seeking. This powerful supplement has a unique effect on neurotransmitters, the body's chemical messengers that regulate many of our functions, including mood. Among these neurotransmitters are dopamine and serotonin, two key players in maintaining our emotional well-being. Dopamine, often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, plays a crucial role in our feelings of pleasure and reward. It's the burst of happiness we feel when we achieve a goal or enjoy our favorite activities. Serotonin, on the other hand, helps regulate our mood, sleep, appetite, and even cognitive functions like memory and learning. It's the stabilizing force that keeps our mood balanced and consistent. A deficiency in serotonin is often linked to feelings of depression and anxiety. Berberine interacts with these neurotransmitters, helping to increase their levels in the brain. This can lead to an improvement in overall mood, making you feel happier, more balanced, and more at ease. It's like having a personal cheerleader, constantly working to keep your spirits high and your mood positive. Moreover, Berberine's mood-boosting benefits aren't just short-term. With regular use, Berberine can contribute to long-term mood stability, helping you maintain a consistently positive and balanced emotional state. Berberine, the protector. One of the key properties of berberine is its antimicrobial nature. This means it has the ability to combat microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This is particularly beneficial in a world where we are constantly exposed to a myriad of microorganisms that could potentially harm our health. In addition to its antimicrobial properties, berberine also boasts antiviral and antibacterial properties. This means it can help your body fight off viral and bacterial infections. It's like having an extra line of defense, ready to step in and help your body combat these harmful invaders. But the protective properties of berberine don't stop there. It also has the ability to enhance your immune system. Your immune system is your body's natural defense mechanism against disease and illness. By boosting your immune system, berberine helps to strengthen this defense mechanism, making it more effective in protecting your body against disease and illness. In essence, berberine is a supplement that offers a comprehensive range of protective properties. From its antimicrobial, antiviral, and antibacterial properties to its ability to boost your immune system, berberine is a supplement that truly earns its title as a protector. Berberine, the energy enhancer. Last, but certainly not least, berberine steps in to help repair this damage, restoring the mitochondria's ability to function effectively and efficiently. This restoration process is vital because healthy mitochondria mean a healthy energy production process, which translates to us having more energy to go about our daily activities. In addition to reversing mitochondrial damage, berberine also aids in improving oxygen consumption. Oxygen is a critical component in the process of energy production. When our bodies can use oxygen more efficiently, we can produce energy more effectively. Berberine's role in enhancing oxygen consumption thus contributes to its overall impact on energy production. Furthermore, berberine plays a role in ATP production. ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is the primary molecule that our cells use for energy. By boosting ATP production, berberine ensures that our cells have a steady supply of energy, keeping us feeling vibrant and full of life. Berberine, the dosage details. Now, you might be wondering, how much berberine should I take? Well, many studies suggest a dosage in the range of 500 to 1,500 milligrams per day. It's like a daily dose of wellness, helping to keep your body in tip-top shape. But remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. In the end, berberine is like a Swiss Army knife of health benefits. It's versatile, powerful, and ready to help you tackle your health goals. So why not give it a try? With berberine by your side, you're well equipped to take on whatever health challenges come your way. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So take that step today and let berberine help guide you on your path to better health. After all, your health is the greatest wealth you can have. So invest in it, nurture it, and watch as it pays dividends in the form of a happier, healthier you. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed this playful yet informative dive into the world of berberine. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of berberine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your health, you're in the driver's seat. So buckle up, stay informed, and enjoy the ride to better health. Until next time, stay well and keep smiling.